Chelsi's going to show us how to make release 1 of our Bloomtopia quilt along. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Chelsi of Sherri and Chelsi with Moda Fabrics, and today I'm going to teach you how to make the blocks of release 1. Okay, so let's get started with the over and under block. For this first unit, you're going to place a white square on the rectangle, and you are going to draw a line corner to corner. After that, you'll sew on the drawn line and you'll trim 1/4 inch away from that line. After that, your unit should look like this. You'll repeat step 1, and then you will have a finished unit after pressing. After that, you should have 2 finished units for the over and under block. You are going to sew 2 wing units from each of 8 fabrics. Then you'll get your rectangle and you'll flip this wing unit around. After you're done sewing those, you will have 1 butterfly unit. So next, we're going to sew 8 butterfly units using each of the different fabrics for the block. Take those 8 butterfly units and lay them out like the pattern shows. You are going to sew 3 rows of 3 sections together. Once you've completed sewing them, you will have a final over and under block. Okay, now let's move on to block 2, the Bright Futures variation. So I'm really excited about this next block because I get to show you how to use triangle on a roll half square triangles. Next, you're going to put 2 fabrics right sides together, and then you're going to use a section of 2x1 triangle paper and lay it out on your fabrics just like this. Next, you are going to sew on the dotted lines all on the triangle paper. And after you're done, you're going to cut on the solid line and then take the paper off. Now you'll have your 4 half square triangles. After that, you'll repeat that step so that you'll have 4 half square triangles from the 3 remaining fabrics. Now you're going to assemble your half square triangles like shown in the instructions. I want to make a little note so it's easy for you. Make sure that your colors are always paired up with a buddy color. That way you know that your block is laid out correctly. So 4 half square triangles in 4 rows to complete your final block. Sew the pieces in each row together. After you've sewn all of your pieces together, you'll have your final Bright Futures variation block. Please join us in 2 weeks for release 2.